Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel, guys. New year, and we need to cleanse our body, for so many things happening over the Christmas and the New Year, with a lot of food and drink. So we need to cleanse our kidney and cleanse our body and and clean up our immune system and fresh up our body. Get fit and ready. We know a lot of people gone back at work. A lot of people are doing this, but before we go any further, I must say to you, sir, a big happy new year. And I love every one of you guys. Long time I put up my video, as you can see, doing some work and bits and pieces in between. But anyway, we want to use lemon or lime and some baking soda to make a nice, lovely detoxing and cleaning of our body. Yes, cleaning and cleansing your body. All right, I love you all. Stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me, and get your favorite recipe. My name is Chef Ricardo. I'm always giving you the best recipes and the best ideas. So stay tuned and don't go anywhere, and please watch this video, guys. This one is to cleanse your body. Stay tuned. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, as you can see it for yourself right here, I got all of my ingredients ready. All right, so what we're going to do is get half of a lemon, and simple, cut it up and with the seed and everything, put it straight inside of your Ninja blender. All right, so what we're going to do, as I say, I use half of a lemon, or you can use lime, cut it up with the skin and everything, chuck it straight inside of it. Now what we're going to do is put 1 cup of water, and simple, just blend it for about 2 to 3 seconds. Not gonna be taking long. All right, little bit of nice, but so it got. Lovely and nice. So just blend it. What we're going to do now is run it through our strainer. This is totally different, guys, from normally or would I normally do it. All right, so basically that's why I want you guys to watch what I'm doing. It's a very unique recipe. And remember, this is not a normal recipe. This is a total different recipe from every other recipe. All right, so basically we have a roughly about 3/4 glass of water right here. All right, so what you need to do is get your baking soda and put, remember, 1 teaspoon, not a tablespoon. This is a teaspoon inside of it. First thing you need to do. All right, so you need to put that first and mix it really good. All right, guys, that means you can see exactly what I'm doing right there. So once you do that, what you're going to do now is get the lemon, which you just blend up into that water, and pour it in like this. All right, all right, lovely and nice. So once you do that, you're gonna be drinking this before you go to your bed. or first thing in the morning before breakfast. All right, guys. All right, you're gonna drink that. So the rest of the lemon juice, which we have right here, after you drink this, either in the morning or at night, what you're going to do, you drink this in the morning or at night before you go to your bed, just like this. No more baking soda into this. You just pour this into a glass and drink it just like this, guys. Cleanse the body, new year, you know what I mean? Cleanse the liver, cleanse the kidney, and all these things, guys. It is amazing. So I want to take the time out to say thank every one of you guys for watching. Stay tuned, and don't forget to click in the notification bell and leave your comments in the description box from Chef Ricardo and the team. And I will see you next time with more recipe in the kitchen again and again. Very simple one to make at home.